welcome to my channel. Welcome back. My name is Sevim. We are going to do another lab practice today. We are on AWS Amazon. This is the getting started tutorials. You can find them by typing on Google. You can find AWS getting started. It should come up. And we are going to start with create your first Amazon RDS database. This is 10-minute fundamental training and it shouldn't be that hard. We are going to do databases mostly in my next videos, and then we can transfer to another topic, but I'm going to concentrate only on databases for now. I'm going to start with this one. Introduction. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an environment to run your PostgreSQL database. We call this environment an instance, connect to database, and delete the DB instance. We will do this using Amazon Relational Database Service, Amazon RDS, and everything done in this tutorial is free tier eligible. I'm going to sign into the console. Okay, I'm in. I understand that it's going to be in my production environment this time. Normally they give me a like practice laboratory and we do there, so it's kind of developer test side. But now the implementation. Enter the RDS console. Okay. When you click here, the AWS Management Console will open a new browser. Okay, I think I already did that. Okay. This could be practicing environment. Okay. I'm going to use this one now. When you click here, AWS Management Console will open in a new browser window, so you can keep the steps step by step quite open. When the screen loads, find RDS under the database and click Open Amazon RDS Console. We can either find here services, or we can just type it here. Okay. Relational Database Service. Find services, under database RDS. Now create. In this step, we will use Amazon RDS to create a PostgreSQL database instance with dbt2 macro database. So it shows North Virginia. Okay. 20 GB of storage and automated backup enabled with retention period of the day. As a reminder, all of this is free tier eligible. In the top right corner of Amazon RDS console, select region which you want to create our database instance. AWS cloud resources are housed in highly available data center facilities in different areas of the world. You have the ability to choose which region to host your Amazon RDS activity in. Okay, I'm not going to change it for now. In the Create Database section, choose Create Database. Okay. Again, you will choose Create Database. You now have option to select your engine. For the tutorial, choose PostgreSQL. Okay, standard create, easy create, PostgreSQL. Choose engine version and choose free tier engine version. Free tier eligible. This part didn't come up. Okay, templates. Only enable options eligible to RDS per-user tier. Only, where do I see that? Maybe some configuration change after the database is created. Engine, okay. Only is powerful open source. Engine options. This list, you will now configure your database instance. The list below shows the example settings that you can use for this tutorial. Settings, database instance identifier. Type the name for database instance that's unique for your account in the region you selected. For this tutorial, you will name it RDS PostgreSQL 10 minutes tutorial. I'm not going to change this part. Okay. Identifier, master username, we will use master name. Okay, master password, type the password that contains from including your master user password. Master 1 2 3 4. It should contain maybe, let's say 1 2 3. Master 1 2 3. It looks okay. Okay, confirm password, retype settings, postgrade, master username. Okay, instance specifications, DB instance class select default. Database T2. Why didn't come up? Select default, physical 1 GB. Standard classes. Why I can't see that? M classes, memory, standard classes, instance configuration, instance specifications. I can't see. Database instance select default. Amazon RDS pricing. Storage type select general purpose. For more information about storage, see storage for Amazon RDS. Allocate storage select default. You can scale up to maximum of 64 terabytes Amazon RDS. Okay, so here I selected retire. Now this identifier has changed. I'm going to rename it again. Okay. Now I can see T classes. Okay, I didn't see them before. So T2. Why I'm missing again? Include previous generation classes. No. db to macro. What am I missing? Postgrade. Which postgrade should that be? SQL. I think this is a little old version. Production, free tier, availability, settings, name, password, instance, versatile classes. Okay, I can see them now. Finally, I needed to go up, I think. Okay, now I can select it. Select general purpose storage and general purpose SSD. Okay, select default of 20 to allocate 20 GB. Storage 20. Okay. Okay, enable storage auto scaling, multi-AZ available zone deployment. Note that you will have to pay for multi-zone deployment using multi-availability zone deployment automatically provides provisions and maintains a synchronous standby replica in a different availability zone. For more information, see high availability deployment. Okay, I'm going to make this one big again. Maximum multi connectivity. Okay, this part is okay. Storage. Unclick. Does it say unclick? This option does not apply. Automatically scale up when needed. This doesn't apply. Okay. And storage 20. Availability and durability. Do we have that? Storage discovery, connectivity, public access, VPC, authentication, estimated monthly costs, availability, don't create standby instance, 7 days, turn on performance insights, password. Okay, I don't see any availability and durability part. Up here, availability zone, do not create standby instance, no preference, RDS proxy. You are now on the connectivity section where you provide additional information that RDS needs to launch your PostgreSQL DB instance. The list below shows settings for our example DB instance. Network security, default, network, okay, publicly accessible, yes, create new, choose as VPC, and we need to allow connection IP address device, leave the default value. Okay, VPC create new. We need a name. Where is that name? Additional configurations. RDS proxy, database options, DB name, additional configuration. I only see this part. Database authentication, monitoring, backup. Here, DB name, database option. Okay, my database name, my database. Okay, default. Okay, enable automatic backups 1 day. Select no preference, copy text map. Enable performance insights. When the tutorial and instructions and the actual window is different, it gets a little bit complicated, but I'm sure we can find this here as well. Backup window, copy text and snapshot, backups, fabrication, performance insights, monitoring, maintenance, enable deletion protection, maintenance window. Okay, there is no performance insight. I don't see it here. Automated. Replication. This was telling me somewhere on the top. Log. Cloud log exports. PostgreSQL log. Upgrade log. I'm not going to choose anything. Enable and some maintenance. Okay. Auto monitor version upgrade. Select enable auto monitor version. To monitor version up. Okay. Receive automatic updates when they become available. Maintenance window. Select no preference. Okay. And then create database. Enable database, delete and protection, and now create database. Okay, that must be it. Now it is ready. It's creating. Its status is not ready yet. Let's see when refreshed. Still creating. It's taken a little bit. Okay, now it's connected, created. Your DB instance is now being created. Depending on DB instance class storage allocated, it will take several minutes. Okay. View your DB instance. Let's come from here. Downloaded SQL client. Download an SQL client. After a database instance creation is complete and the status changes to available, you can connect to database on the DB instance using any standard SQL client. In this step, we will download SQL Workbench, which is popular SQL client. Remember to run SQL Workbench from the same device on the same network from which you created the database instance. The security group your database is placed in is configured to allow connection only from device from which you created the database instance. Go to SQL Workbench website and click Generic Package for all systems, including all options libraries. Oh, maybe I am signed out or didn't work out. Okay, I couldn't go to the page. Next, click here, download, go to download, which version, 42 point, which version does it say? Save the file in a place where you can easily find it later. This file is needed in the next step. Down latest releases, downloads, download the latest. Okay, so which one? This that we download. Let's download it from here. Latest version. If we are using Java 8, Java 7, which one are we going to use? Not sure. Let's download the latest version of this one. Is it downloading? Not sure. Okay, it's downloading now. Connect to PostgreSQL. In this step, we will connect to database you created using SQL Workbench. When you complete download, install Workbench. This didn't go well. So because I wasn't able to download the SQL Workbench, okay, we just need to follow up these steps, but I wasn't able to download it. It's not running, so we'll go without SQL Workbench, and it's going to be connected. We will use the driver that we downloaded. These are the following instructions, and driver we will select our PostgreSQL. See endpoint. Okay, this one is our URL and RDS port. This will go to the application driver URL username and the password, and we can then connect the database. So once this is done, now you are connected to database from your RDS console. Select. I don't know why I didn't have access to download the SQL database. Okay, and then at this point database is ready to use. You can start creating tables, insert data, and run queries from SQL Workbench client. Okay, so we are going to run queries from Workbench, and current activity, it will show the connections. initialization, and now we can delete the database. We can go select and delete the database. Let's go databases, select this one and actions, delete. What else shall we create final snapshot? I acknowledge. Not going to lead me. Then not here. I acknowledge. Okay, so it's going to be deleted. I think it was saying 10 minutes. I don't know how this is 10 minutes. It could have been done faster, but downloading and all this, they take time. So I hope you enjoyed this session. I will see you in my next session. Bye.